Good morning, boys and girls. Right now we're going to be saying the sounds and sight words. All right, put your fingers up and say the sounds along with me. C, cat, k. A, apple, a. M, mask, m. G, gate, g. D, dog, d. T, tent, t. S, sun, s. F, fan, f. Q, queen, qu. No English word ends in Q. It is always followed by U. N, nest, n. L, lock, o. B, ball, b. I, igloo, I. H, hat, h. J, jet, j. No English word ends in J. K, key, k. O, octopus, ah. P, pot, p. U, umbrella, W, web, w. Z, zebra, z. X, fox. Y, yo-yo, y. Second sound, Y, happy, E at the end of a long word. Third sound, Y, cry, I at the end of a short word. R, rat, V, van, v. No English word ends in V. It is always followed by E. E, egg, eh. F, L, S, Z, double at the end of a one-syllable word after a short vowel. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, f. CK, sock at the end of a short word after a short vowel. CH, chair, ch. WH, whistle, w. TCH, match, ch. At the end of a short word after a short vowel. Okay, magic E now. A, consonant, magic E. Ape, A. What does the E do to the A? Make it say its name. And the name is A, and the sound is A. Next one. Fingers up. I, consonant, magic E. Pine, I. What does the E do to the I? Make it say its name. And the name is I, and the sound is I. O, consonant, magic E. Home, O. What does the E do to the O? Make it say its name. And the name is O, and the sound is O. U, consonant, magic E. Mule, U. What does the E do to the U? Make it say its name. And the name is U, and the sound is U or U. E, consonant, magic E. Eve, E. What does E do to the E? Make it say its name, and the name is E, and the sound is E. Vowel teams. EE, feet, E. Position, middle. OA, boat, O. Position, middle. AI, rain, A. Position, middle. AY, play, A. Position, end. EA, eat, E. Now we're going to do the sight words. First word is family. Say the word family. Family. F, A, M, I, L, Y. Family. Fingers up. Family. F, A, M, I, L, Y. Family. Eyes closed. Family. F, A, M, I, L, Y. Family. I go to the park with my family. So family are people who take care of you. They could be your brother, sister, mother, father, grandpa, grandma. The next word is questions. Question. Questions. 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 Eyes closed. Questions. Questions. You must answer all the questions on the math test. Or you can ask a question. And usually when you have a question, it ends in a question mark. Area. Fingers up. Say the word area. Area. A-R-E-A. Area. Again, area. A-R-E-A, area. Eyes closed, area. A-R-E-A, area. Lily likes to do her homework on her desk area. So area is like a place. An area is like what place you live, what area do you live in, what area do you leave your backpack, what area do you sleep. It's a place. Another word for place. The next word is problem. Say the word problem. Okay, problem. Fingers up. Problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M. Problem. Again, problem. Problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M. Problem. Eyes closed. Problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M. Problem. The boy's problem was he couldn't play outside because it was raining. So problem is something that goes wrong and needs to be fixed. So most of the time in fiction books, there are problems and the character needs to fix it. You need to focus on this word because now that we're going to be doing writing with fiction, problem is very important to remember. Complete. Fingers up, complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Complete. Again, complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Complete. Eyes closed. Complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Complete. The children needed to complete the horse puzzle by lunchtime. So complete means to finish. Like, oh, you must complete your homework. Or you must complete the math test to finish something. Okay, so now that we're done with our sounds and our sight words, you're going to take out your notebook and you're going to write the sight words 5 times each. Okay, go ahead.